National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Traverse County in west central Minnesota, northwestern Big Stone County in west central Minnesota, southern Roberts County in northeastern South Dakota, eastern Day County in northeastern South Dakota, southeastern Marshall County in northeastern South Dakota, northwestern Grant County in northeastern South Dakota, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waubay Wildlife Rec Area, or over enemy swim housing, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, or be around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ruddish Corner around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Finley Heights Housing, Beaver Flats Housing, Wilmot, Youngkeytown, Bonanza Grove, Beardsley, Big Stone Lake, and Lismore Colony. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota, Day and Marshall. Severe thunderstorm watch number